The Best 5 Resorts in Grenada, Part 2. 473 Grenada Boutique Resort. At the water's edge with 2 secluded sandy beaches, 473 Grenada Boutique Resort was newly opened in 2018 as a hideaway in the prestigious Fort Judy South Coast region and offers a private beach, non-motorized water sports, and outdoor infinity swimming pool. All villas feature a gourmet kitchen and a private bathroom. The accommodation features a 24-hour front desk. At the resort, all rooms are fitted with a terrace. Villas include air conditioning and a media room with a flat-screen TV, and each is equipped with sea views. All guest rooms include a seating area. Snorkeling is among the activities that guests can enjoy in your 473 Grenada Boutique Resort. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.